Artie McYardie here with another one. Hey folks, how you doing? Today we are throwing down some granular fertilizer by Yard Mastery. I believe this one is called Flagship 2406. 24% nitrogen, 6% potassium. Gonna get rid of some of this because it's my oldest one. As you can see here, I store them in Home Depot buckets, sealed off from the elements, and no smell in my garage. And today, I am going waste free because I am measuring with my scale down to the ounces. So his is very simple. Throw it down 3 pounds per 1,000. So I got a couple sections here that I'm doing. So for instance, one of them is 2,000 square feet. Linear feet. No, 2,000 square feet, yep. So I'm throwing down 6 ounces. As you can see, look, I took a little bit out. The other section is about 3,000 square feet. So I'm throwing down 9 ounces. Super simple. Got my little measuring bucket, pouring it in, and having fun. The only thing you gotta do is double check the settings on your spreader to coincide with what's on the label. And I always recommend going a little bit lower than that so you don't blow your load too fast. Pro tip: walk at a New York pace when you're spreading your fertilizer. As you can see, that picture that I have on the scale, see how I click the button? Tear it off. Tear off the weight of that picture, and then you get a more accurate reading, taking the weight of that picture out and just having the pure weight of the granules. Don't be a jerk. Fertilizer etiquette. Make sure you blow the sidewalks back into the lawn. The curbs on the street, blow it back into the lawn. Don't forget to water it in. In my case, I'm in Northeast Florida. I got something called rain.